So the HONOR 100 introduced a crescent-shaped design for this camera model, resembling a crescent moon suspended in the sky. The front showcases 6.7 inches quad-core screen with a resolution of 2664x1200 pixels, delivering a pixel density of 435 ppi. The thin is 7.8 mm. Notably, the display supports the industry highest 3840SZ ultra high frequency PWM dimming, ensuring zero risk dimming. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, the Honor 100 promises robust performance complemented by a 4572 mm large area stainless steel high performance VC. The device features massive 5000 mAh battery with a remarkable 100-watt super fast charging capability. A standard feature is the self-development RF enhancement chip. Enhancing signal quality is challenging scenario. So the Imagine proves of the Honor 100 stand as a defining feature, showcasing a cutting-edge portrait camera that seamlessly achieves a natural background refocus, akin to the cover CLR level portrait shooting effect. At the heart of this photography marvel is the debut of 50-megapixel Sony IMX906D SLR level portrait camera, boasting a substantial 1.56 inches large base, an impressive 1.95 aperture, and a support for OIS plus EIS dual stabilization. This camera ensures in-parallel clarity in every shoot. The incorporation of portrait engine or ray photo enhanced shooting quality, elevating the overall photography experience. So the complementing the primary lens is secondary 12-megapixel 112-degree ultra-wide angle macro lens with a f2.2 aperture, adding versatility to the device photographic capability. So on the front end, the Honor 100 features 50-megapixel selfie camera equipped with photo lens sporting f2.1 aperture, promising stunning and detailed self-portraits. So the other features like NFC, a line-in motor, stereo dual speaker, Honor Assistant sound, and a Magic OS 7.2 on top of Android 13. So the price of Honor 100 starts from 2499 yuan for a 12GB plus 2 5GB variant. There are 4 color options: Moon Shadow White, Monet Purple, Butterfly Blue, and a Bright Black.